Wow! You like it? Can you say yes? Wow! Hi everyone, my name is Abigail and welcome back here on my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, it's gonna be different from my usual uploads, which are beauty vlogs. Today's video is gonna be the first video on this September series, which is yun nga yung plano ko for this month. Kasi since birth month ng baby ko, so all of my uploads will be just something related to her and yung journey ko when I became a mom. I got so excited upon receiving this first gift that my baby received for her first birthday, and so I'm actually supposed to open this on her birthday, but yun nga masyado akong naging excited na para bang gift sa akin. So we got a gift from Mami Ninang May. Hi May. And this is a princess castle. So this is how it's supposed to look like. And sobrang excited na din talaga akong i-assemble to for her. So, yun nga guys, if you wanna see how I build this, or how I assemble this princess castle for Bella, then please keep on watching. But, if you guys haven't subscribed here on my channel, please do by clicking the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell as well, so you will be notified every time I post a new video. So again, for this month, this is just gonna be a series of videos that are related to me being a mom, and of course, most importantly, all about Bella. So, right now, we're going to try building this princess castle, and I don't know, it doesn't come with a manual. But this cover has like something like an instruction and the list of parts. So I'm gonna work with this one. So this is the installation method here. Ito pala yung pinaka-instruction niya. And let's see if I'll be able to make this work. So, wish me luck. And I also have an assistant here with me. She's gonna be assisting me in building her castle. So, are you ready, Bella? Are you ready? Come on. Okay, very good! after a few minutes, actually, I'm pretty proud of myself kasi nagawa ko siya ng mabilis. I am done. And this is how it looks like from the inside. I'm so glad that it came with complete parts kasi, syempre, nabuo ko siya ng mabilis tsaka, ng perfect. Yan. So, while I was doing this Princess Castle, she had been very busy making a mess. So, liligpitin ko muna yan before I show you guys the finished product or the finished Princess Castle that I'm gonna be setting up for her. So, wow! You like it? Wow! You like it? Can you say yes? Wow! 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 Guys, so today is the next day. I wasn't able to finish the video yesterday kasi medyo na-busy na ako kay Bella, and instead of just setting up the Princess Castle, I ended up cleaning the whole room and changing the linen. So, yun, din ako nakapag-vlog, but I had some few clips from last night when I put the fairy lights here inside the Princess Castle. So when I woke up this morning, I actually found Bella in here. She was already playing with her books, and so I wasn't able to take a video of it, but it was really amazing. Growing up, I never really get to experience or have this kind of stuff. So I'm just so happy that Bella. So yan, I'm just happy that my little Bella over here gets to enjoy this kind of stuff. Seeing her comfortable in here is just making me happy. So this is the final look, guys, of Bella's Princess Castle. Upon entering, you'll see this setup right here. I know it's not that much, but it's already perfect for Bella. So I have her books over here. And then here we have her friends. We have Piglet, FIFA, and Ellie. Also, Mr. Bunny right over here. And then we have her favorite Hello Kitty neck pillow. I don't know, probably she just loved the color, but she doesn't actually use it. She just loved playing with this one right here. And yeah, that's how her Princess Castle looks like. So before I end this video, I just would like to give a big shout out to Mami Ninang May, who gave us this Princess Castle as her early birthday gift for Bella, since Bella is turning 1 pretty soon. Kaya ayun, may pa-early gift si Ninang. So, thank you very much, May, for this wonderful gift. Yeah? Wanna say thank you? Thank you. Say thank you. Bella. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet here on my channel, please do by clicking the subscribe button down below and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So I guess I'll just see you in my next video. Bye!